Okay, we are going to continue our lesson on counting coins. Yesterday, we counted like coins. You guys remember that? And like coins are the same. Today, we're going to talk about unlike coins. Think about that word, unlike. Yeah, that's one of our prefix. It means not alike. So right now, we're going to watch a video that talks about coins. Yes. It says,
we jingle, you see us all around. In a bleeding bank or bucket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each other for months by name. I'm a president to meet good today. A coin that is worth 1 cent. When you say a lot of us, you get understand. I'm a shiny 5-cent nickel. President Jefferson is who you see. If you give someone 5 pennies, you'll get back 1 of me. You jingle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. If you have to pay for the babies, they can't take my place. I'm the shining George Washington. Jingle and we jangle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. Sometimes we are lost, but we are also often found. Now we know each one by name, by value, and something keep the same. Keep us in the same.
if I had a bigger mustache. Okay, so now we are going to talk about I'll wait. Okay, sometimes technology problems. Can you put it in slideshow for me? There. Okay, so we're going to continue with money, counting sets of unlike coins. Now, this word, what's our prefix there?
It means one.
And what does that mean? Not. So yesterday, again, we talked about like coins. And these are unlike coins. Next slide, please. Today, we will count sets of unlike coins. So right now, we're going to take our journals out later. Next slide. Okay, so again, next slide. All right. Did you know we can use visual models like pictures and images to show math concepts? This is a visual model, okay? A box with 5 cents, 5 cents,
So
5
let's
cents,
put
5
next
cents.
one.
This is a 10 frame. How many pennies are in a 10 frame? How many are here? 20. And how many are here? And then remember, we can use a number line, and we can skip count. 10, 20. Then, what coin is that? What coin is a 10? It is a dime. There we go. Next slide, please.
10 pennies is a one dime.
Today, we're going to use a visual model to count sets of unlike coins. What does this mean? What does unlike mean? Yeah, they're going to be different coins. Okay? So watch as I solve a problem. Will pulled these coins out of his pocket. How much money did Will pull out? Okay, we haven't figured out yet. Now, can somebody tell me, just raise your hand, I don't want anyone yelling out, one of these coins? Alex, what is one of these coins?
One event, summer event.
Just one, just tell me one. What's one of these coins? A dime. Eduardo, can you tell me another type of coin?
Nickel.
A nickel, very good. So these are different coins. Can you hit the space bar for me? I noticed there are two different types of coins, dimes and nickels. Space bar, please.
Oh, I know the answer.
Okay, hold on. I know dimes are worth how much? And nickels are worth? Space bar, please. Hold on. First, I'll arrange the coins in order from greatest to least. Okay. What coin is bigger? What's worth more? Dime. So how many dimes do we have? Yes, Cody.
Four. Don't shout it out, Mike. Don't shout it out, Manny.
Okay. So how many dimes do we have, Rosianna? How many? So let's just count. We have
40.
1, 2, 3, and 4. And what do we have left?
Oh,
Like
there's two nickels and
2 nickels.
and
So
that's plus
how
five.
much? How much are the nickels worth?
5 each.
5 and 5.
It's 50 cents.
I love the way you're sitting. Next slide, please. So you guys were right. We had 10. What's 10 plus 10? What's 20 plus 10? What's 30 plus 10? What's 40 plus
45.
what's 45 plus 5 more? Okay, so next slide, please. All right, so let me erase this. So now we're going to see if we got it right. I can solve it by adding all the coin values. That's what we did. Next slide, please. So let's add, count. I want you to count by 10. 10. Stop right there. Stop right there. How much is 5 plus 5? So that's another 10. So we had 10, 20, 30, 40, plus another 10. Right. Next slide, please. 10 plus 10 was 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 10 is, plus another 10. And great job. Next slide, please.
Wait, this one teaches easy.
Okay, but you know what? It's easy for some people, and some people it might not be. Okay, we can solve this another way. I can also solve this by skip count. That's kind of what we did. Next slide, please. Okay, so again, let's do it again. Let's skip count by 10. And remember, we can use a number line if we're going to do that. Okay, so Josiah, can you skip count 10 for me?
10, 20, 30, 40,
Okay. And then
45.
I did it before. And we picked up my 10, 20, 30, 40. We said 40.
45. 50.
Now we're gonna skip 45 and 50.
57.
So were we right? Yeah.
No.
Okay, we're gonna work together.
We were right.
Next slide, please. Alicia picked some coins up from the floor. How much did she pick up? So listen, when we're gonna solve this, remember what they told us to put the biggest value first. If we looked at these coins, what's the biggest value? Go ahead. What's the biggest value? Actually, you know what? Let's do this. What coins do we have here? Somebody tell me one. Eduardo, what do we have? Give me one coin.
Nickel.
We have a nickel. And a nickel's worth how much?
5.
Give me, what's another coin?
Penny.
And how much is a penny worth?
5.
Good job. And what's our last coin? Also,
A dime.
how much is a dime worth?
10.
Okay, so remember, a dime, was a dime our biggest coin or smallest coin? What was a dime?
Oh, 10
In size, it is the smallest coin. How do we know the penny? Juliana, how do we know a penny?
It's the biggest.
How do we know the penny?
Oh, 1
It's 1 cent, but how do we know when we look at it? It's
darkest.
round, right?
And it's copper.
Yeah.
Copper.
How about the edges? The edges of the penny.
Stop.
The edges are smooth. How about a quarter? Let's talk about a quarter. Roseanne, how about a quarter? The edges smooth on a quarter or bumpy? That's their biggest coin. They're bumpy, right? Okay, so if I was gonna put this by value, okay, which one's gonna go first? What's the biggest value?
10.
And how many do we have? Look, how many dimes do we have? We have 1, 2. So I put 10 plus 10. What's our next value? What's our next biggest value? Okay, so how many nickels do we have?
3.
3. So I'm gonna put plus 5, plus 5, and plus 5. And what's our last point?
3 times.
How many?
38.
Okay, what's our last point?
There's 3
How many?
pennies. 3 pennies.
How many do we have? Plus 1, plus 1, plus. Next slide, please. So we have dimes. What's this? What word is this? Nickels and pennies. Next slide, please. So we put all of the points here.